Okay, so I'm picking up where I left off. I got a Subaru WRX that had a FP green on it, and I was wondering why it didn't make boost. I was checking out all the ancillary components. Had an external wastegate on it, and I was concerned that there was some other stuff going on. I was redoing the fuel system, and then when it came time to check it out, I was concerned that there was a little bit of shaft play. Not a lot, very minimal, but you could see there the wheel's been digging into the compressor housing. Then I got to looking at it. If you all can see right there, there's foreign object damage. The compressor blade is bent slightly. So I figured it would be time to do a rotated mount and go full boat. So I took it off, and after removing the turbo, it had an external gate up pipe with a tile gate, and come down here, and oh, what's that? Well, as it turned out, the up pipe had completely broken away from the flex section. Now, I always thought that up pipes with the flex section were better because they allow expansion and contraction of the individual components, which in theory should provide a better connection. With this one, super cheesy, thin wall pipe, thin wall flex section. And I think that explains why I wasn't able to build any boost. It's got a nice thick flange made of stainless steel here, and then a nice thick flange for the turbo, but the bellows and the flex section is a total piece of shit. So that's where I am. I'm going to remake all this stuff, and hopefully I'll come out for the better for it.